Hi, in this video, I will explain how to easily import our products to your Shopify store using manual collections. To begin, go to Settings and then select Category Mapping. You have two options. You can either select All Categories, which will replicate all of the retailer categories on the left side. You'll then need to match these with your Shopify collections, set the margins, and specify a fixed shipping value. You will need to repeat this process for each category. If you don't wish to import some of the categories, simply delete them, and once you're done, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. Otherwise, the other way to do the initial import is by adding the mappings manually, so let's proceed and create a few. Similarly, on the left side, choose the brand's gateway categories you wish to import. For example, I will now select Bags for Women to be imported into my Shopify store. Please note that under Dropshipper category, only your Shopify manual collections will be displayed. Now I want this particular collection bags, women, to be imported to my Shopify collection named handbags. The next field, you add a margin per category. By default, the markup is set to 1.5, which is the minimum requirement. However, you can adjust this. For example, let's change it to 2.1. You can also add a fixed shipping value to be included in the final price without your customer's knowledge. Let's say I'll add a fixed shipping value of 30. Now let's go ahead and add another category. This time, I will import the category Shoes for Men, and I will map it with my manual collection shoes. I will change the markup to 1.9 over here, and I can choose to not include a fixed shipping value. Do the same process with each and every category that you wish to import, and once you are done with the initial import, click on Save. With this, the products will start importing to your Shopify store. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You'll notice that under Create, we now have 125 products. This number will start changing as the initial import progresses. Now you can refresh the queue here, and you will notice that inside our store, we already have one product under total, and you need to give it some time for the import process to finish. Please note that in case you are importing all of our inventory, it might take up to 5 or 6 hours for the import process to finish. You can always return to Settings and Category Mapping to add new mappings. Modify existing ones, such as changing the markup or including a shipping value, or delete the existing mappings as needed. Please note that for every change that you make, you need to click on Save for the progress to be saved. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team or search our help desk.